Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to change your git config username and user email. Let's open git bash first. Now first of all we'll see what is the username and email that we have set. For that we need to run a command git config --list. Simply press enter key and here you can see the current username and the email. Now the goal here is to change it. To change it, we need to run two commands. So these are the commands that we have to run. This is for the name and this is for the email. I'll provide these commands in the description of the video, so please do check it out. So let me copy this, paste here, press the enter key. Let's do same for the email. Copy, paste it, press the enter key. Now let's verify, run git config --list to see if it is changed or not. And here you can see it is changed. Okay, that's how you can change your git config username and email. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.